Welcome. In front of me is an LG K9, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to remove screen lock. As you can see, there's a screen lock on this device, and what we need to do is, well, begin by powering off the device. So it's called power key, which is basically the fingerprint on the back, and then select power off, and once more power off. Now, once the device shuts off, we're gonna hold power key, which is can I show it? This button right here. So hold that along with volume down. So volume down and power simultaneously. And once you see the logo, LG logo on the screen, you want to release power key and then basically start holding it again. So I'm gonna begin holding both of those keys now. And let go and start pressing again. Only the power key. And you will see now factory data reset. So all you need to do now is just select yes by using the volume keys. So volume up and down will be used to navigate, as you can see, like so. Select yes and confirm it with the power key on the back. Then again, delete all user data, yes. Okay, so now it's beginning. Give it a couple minutes. It might take several minutes, so just be patient. And once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. I'm gonna go through it fairly quickly just to show you that there is no more screen lock. And as you can see, we're back in the home screen, or actually we're now in the home screen, considering before we were stuck in a lock screen. So if I also lock the device, you will see that there is no more lock screen. So the process worked. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.